Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss one another numerical of a single plate of a design of a single plate clutch. So first of all we will read the problem. A plate clutch having a single driving plate with contact surface on each side is required to transmit power of 110 kilowatt at a speed of 1250 rpm. The outer diameter of the contact surface is to be 300 mm. The coefficient of friction is 0.4. Now here it is assuming a uniform pressure of 0.17 Newton per mm square. Determine the inner diameter of the friction surface. So first of all we will need to write down the given data. Now what is the given data? So if we see the given, first of all power is given to us. So we will write the power. Power is 110 kilowatt, that is 110 into 10 to the power 3 watt. Now next one is RPM is given to us. So next we will write RPM. RPM is how much? 1250 RPM. Next is the outer diameter of the contact surface is to be 300 mm. Means outer diameter is what? D1. So D1 is given as 300 mm. So from here we can write out R1 is 150 mm. Next is coefficient of friction is given to us, that is 0.4. And next one is pressure. Pressure is 0.17 Newton per mm square. What we have to find? We have to find out D2. Okay. So now, first of all, we know to find out this diameter, first of all, we need to understand the standard equation of the torque. So the standard equation is torque transmitted C is torque transmitted T is N mu W R. That is equation number 1. In this, T is torque, N is the number of contact surfaces, mu is coefficient of friction, W is axial thrust, and R is mean radius. So now, this is a standard equation from which we have to find out the things. Now, first of all, we will find out the torque. Now again, the another equation of torque transmitted is in terms of power. T is equal to P into 60 divided by 2 pi N. So if we will write out the equation values, so 110 into 10 to the power 3 into 60 divided by 2 pi N is 1250 rpm. So therefore the value of T is 840 Newton meter. In other words, we can write out in Newton mm. So this is our torque equation, torque value, sorry. Equation number 2. Now next of all we have to discuss the axial thrust, W. We have to talk about W. Then axial thrust is, we know W is what? Thrust pressure into area. What is pressure? P into pi. We can say R1 square minus R2 square, and if we will put all the values, that is 0.17 pi, R1 is 150 square minus R2 square. So here we will find out the value of W. W's value is, if we solve this, we get 534 150 square minus R2 square. That will become as equation number 3. Now next we have to find out the mean radius r. This is this capital R. Mean radius r. So for uniform pressure, as uniform pressure is given, so for uniform pressure the value of mean radius will be divide 150 cube minus r2 cube will be 150 square minus r2 square. So that will be equation number 4. So now we will implement all these values in equation 1. Now putting the values of T, W and R from equation 2, 3 and 4 in equation 1 we get. Now the value of T is 840 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 2, because n number of contact surface for single plate clutch, the number of contact surface will be 2, one from left hand side, another one is towards right hand side. So it will be 2, mu is 0.4. now value of W is 0.534, 150 square minus R2 square multiply by 2 by 3, 150 cube minus R2 cube divided by 150 square minus R2 square. After solving all these values, what we will get? We will get the value of R2 as 75 mm or D2 is equal to 150 mm. So this is just a simple mathematical calculations what we have to do from calculator. So final answer or D2 will be equal to 150 mm. So this is our lecture today for today's lecture. Now in the next lecture we will discuss another numerical. Thank you.